Right, so 1st of July, and I've come into the aviary, into the nursery, and we have Sunny, and we have a gorgeous Tippy Win and Neo, and here's Prince, and then we have Tigger, who is, I'm gonna call, who's Tigger? Is it you? Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. It is you, isn't it, huh? Yes, it is. Look at these two. They're out in the main nest. Come on in. Tigger's gonna fly. You're gonna try. Yes, you are. Hey, you're gonna fly. Good job. Go on then. It's very close. We're very close to take off. Come on. Come on. Come on, darling. Up. Come on. Come on. You're the older one, so you should want to go first. Okay, so at any moment, the two 4-week-olds are going to venture out. So what should I call you? I'll go back there. There's Neo. Tigger. I think Tigger's a boy, and this one's a little girl. She's got the pink. So here we go. We have two Sheilas and Prince's 2 babies. It's the 1st of July, and they're looking okay. Although again, I think they'll be a bit small because they're not really overly fed. There's your babies. That's Dad. Prince, I'd like it if you could feed them, please, darling. Are they hungry? You give them some nice spinach. Hey, darling, good boy. You're fussing over them. That's a good daddy. Let's see. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Prince. Come on, give him some more food. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Boy. There we go. Oh, that's fantastic. That's what I want to see. Good boy. Good boy, Prince. And here comes Mum checking. There you go, Dad. Good boy. Oh, yes, that's a good boy. And Mum, you're going to feed the other one. You're going to feed them? Oh, dear. This one's just done a duty. Okay. Oh, here we go. She's going to turn this one over and feed that. Are you, Mum? Hello. Right, so this one, Mum wants to feed that one, I hope. Good mummy. Don't nick the food, Mum. Oh no, she isn't. She's gonna have a go now. Good girl, good boy. Good girl. There she goes. Thank you, God. Okay, Charlotte now. Let's see how Charlotte's doing. We have 4 eggs. Oh, the babies are at the front. Hello, look at the gathering. Hello, everybody. You ready to come outside and clean your poopy nest? I think so. Oh, look at you cute, beautiful babies. All right, we're going to take you out and clean the nest. So the colouring of this one is fascinating. It's got brown and turquoise blue. Looks like it's going to have a grey cheek. Amazing. And white feathers. What amazing colours. And then the blue is really coming out on our 3rd baby. And here's Tigger here. Here's Tigger. Feeling a bit better now. They've had something to eat, so I need to just get these out and clean the nest. Right, guys? Yeah, the 2 youngest ones. Look at that. In one day, look at the amount of colouring of blue that's come out. That is just astonishing. Overnight. Your colours have just come out amazingly. 1st of July. You were born on the 7th of June, right? You were born on the 9th. So this is 22 days old. And we can see the turquoise coming out more in the tail, in the upper layer. And we have a sort of dark, well, it was a sort of teal colour, but it's changing. And we can see the turquoise speckles coming up the back. You're 22 days old, aren't you, huh? Yes, you are. There's the little Budgie. Jasper's taking a look. Molly's taking a look. Be very good. Be a good girl. Okay. Yeah, no, don't lick your leg. So I have this little baby here. Got Jasper there. And Molly's right there. And the baby sleeping. I'm training this one to be good with boobies and understand that she has to be gentle. There we go. Be a good boy. Be a good girl. So she's ignoring it. Her hunting instinct would be to go after this gorgeous baby. But this baby has no idea. And so it's going to be fine. So this little one's been out for a stroll and a visit. Quite nice, had a nice little snooze. Went for a little adventure at 22 days old. Quite relaxed. Looking gorgeous. Okay, so this is baby 1 and 2 of Jack and Limoncello. Both of them have just gone, wait. I'm hopeless at this. 33 soon. I know you're gonna fly soon. The one on the above is the 2 days older than this little one that I've called Tigger. Right, darling, you're gonna fly. So Tigger is 4 weeks old today, 28 days old. This is Tigger right here. With the multicolored tail. I'm gonna give you a name. You gonna try again? You gonna fly? What do you think? So this one is actually 30 days old, so it's perfect for flying. I'm going to give it. Go on then, you can go up. Go on, up. Go on, darling. I'm going to give you a name quickly. Come on, baby. Up you go. Go on. Hop. Who's Mum? There's Mum and Dad and baby. Right there, it's the first flight. And look at them, they're fussing over you. Oh, that's so sweet. Mum and Dad. And the middle one is the baby. Flying today for the first time, learning to fly. It's so clever. Beautiful to see. All right, darling, well done. Mum is just training. She's telling you to come on. And there's Mum and Dad saying, oh, look at our darling. Flown for the first time today. Here comes Mum and Dad. Oh, except Dad can't. Yeah. So here we go. This is the first time I've seen the babies nice and full tummies. So this is Sheila and Prince's babies. So this one's 2 days old. And this one's 2 days old here. And this one's 3 days old. And they're nice and full tummy, so that's great. And Mum's in with the youngsters, with the 4. Got a nice day. My darling. Yes. Happy babies. There's Dad. Oh, that's nice. That one's. Oh, look at that. The youngster's feeding the other one. That's amazing. Oh, he's lovely. So Limoncello's getting quite cross with the kids, and sometimes that means she's getting ready to nest, which I don't want her to lay an egg again. Come here, no, get out. Come here, no. But she's getting cross with the teenagers, and she's not moving. She normally comes out, so I don't know. I hope she doesn't start nesting, because she's still got another good week and a bit with the babies. So I'm going to shut the door. Here we go. I'm shutting the door because I don't want Prince to go in there. And I don't want Sunny to go in there. Do I, darling? Getting very inquisitive. Alright, so it's going to be time to go now. Ready to go. Put everybody to bed. See how your 2 are doing. I'm so pleased now. A couple of days have gone by. With a bit more spinach. Hello, Prince. There's three youngsters, happily perched for the night. Good night, everybody.